Hey everyone, ever wondered how people are creating those insanely viral cat cooking videos? Well, today I'm revealing the exact step-by-step method to make your own AI-generated videos that could blow up on YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Some of these channels are raking in millions of views. Look at this one with just 84 videos and over 1 million subscribers. Another channel, Meow Motion, has close to 3 million subscribers with only 93 videos. And guess what? One of their videos has over 86 million views. These videos aren't random. They follow a powerful concept. And today, I'm showing you how to do it yourself from start to finish. Step 1. Generating your AI images. We'll start by generating stunning AI images using ChatGPT and Picleman. First, we need the right prompts to get our cooking cat images. I've already prepared a proven prompt for you. Check the link in the description. Copy and paste it into ChatGPT to generate a cooking sequence with different steps. Once we have the prompts, head over to Picleman, launch the app, and set up your workspace. Make sure you select the 9:16 aspect ratio for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Now, paste in the prompt, generate the images, and pick the best ones. To maintain a consistent art style, we'll use the seed feature. This ensures every image looks like it's from the same animation. Pro tip: keep refining the images until you get the perfect set for your video. Step 2. Bringing images to life AI video creation. Now that we have our images, it's time to animate them into smooth, engaging videos. Head over to Hello AI, link in the description, and go to the Image to Video section. Simply drag and drop your AI-generated images, add the corresponding prompt, and let the AI work its magic. If you're using the free plan, you can queue up to 3 images at a time, but with Premium, you can generate more at once. Once all our images are animated, we download the videos and move on to the final step: editing and sound design. Step 3. Editing in CapCut GIA 1. Sound effects. Now comes the fun part: turning these clips into a viral masterpiece. Open CapCut and import your animated clips. Arrange them in order, starting from cutting ingredients to the final dish. Trim and adjust the length to keep it fast-paced and engaging. Add smooth transitions. I recommend using the 0.2s fade effect for a seamless flow. Apply the clear filter to enhance visuals. Next, let's add the perfect music. Go to Suno AI and generate a catchy, fun soundtrack that fits the theme. Paste the final prompt into Suno AI. Select instrumental mode and create a unique song. Download your favorite track and add it to CapCut. To make it even more immersive, let's layer in some realistic sound effects. Visit Pixabay for free sound effects like chopping, mixing, frying, and serving. Sync them up with the video for maximum engagement. Step 4. Export and upload time to go viral. Once everything is polished, hit export and name your video something catchy like "Funny Cat Chef Cooks Pasta in 30 seconds. Now, upload it to YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Optimize your title, use trending hashtags, and watch the views roll in. Bonus tip: post consistently and engage with comments to boost your reach even further. That's it. Now, you have all the tools to create your own viral AI-generated cat cooking videos. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more game-changing tutorials. Want more AI video ideas? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating.